to learn how to get your brushes to go from this to this? Keep watching.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Passion, and I'm going to be showing you how I clean my makeup brushes and my beauty blenders. I am right now putting some water, hot water, into a bowl, and I'm letting my beauty blenders soak in there for a little bit with some Gain dish soap.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
So I'm going to be using this makeup brush cleanser as well as this scrubbing pad to actually clean the brushes. And I'm also going to be using the Gain dish detergent that you saw me use earlier in the bowl with the beauty blenders.
It's cold outside.
Now I am going to move on to cleaning the beauty blenders. Now that I have all of the makeup brushes clean, I will be pouring the water that they have been soaking in out. And now I'm just going to squeeze each beauty blender and get all of that water out of them.
It's cold
The brushes are all clean, so some of the brushes as well as the sponges are a little bit stained, and that happens sometimes with makeup, but they're clean. They are all clean. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.